Francis Kamau na ni mwandiki wa gikundi kia mai kia Ngong Hills Bagathi. Indo ici cietagwo plastic cigia kuhuthirwo na njira iria yagiriire ni ithukagia njui citu na ni ithukagia nginya na nyamu iria cikoragwo ikara ku mai-ini cigakorwo igikwo ni tondu wa plastic. No plastic hiyo turathi tugatega thukia mai maitu ni gathukia nyamu citu. No tumihuthira na tuthondeke indo ingi. No tuthondeke ikingi cia kuiriga, no tuthondeke ona tiles na tuhuthire na njira nyingi twandike andu aingi mawira. Koguo ko no tuhuthire plastic icio cirathi gathukia na njira iria yagiriire na twire andu aitura na yuthi ara mekwo macihuthire na njira njega ni guteithia nginya kumateithia na kuona mbeca cio cia mahuthiro mao na cieherie thina ucio thiini wa njui citu.
My name is MUINGI, the County Director of Environment for NEMA, Kajiado County. And NEMA currently is implementing the policy on a plastic ban and especially the flimsy bags in the markets. We are able still to see a number of them in our markets, but as an authority we are engaging in enforcement actions and we are pushing to get to the core of that, and especially the distributors who still bring this material to the country. So I'm encouraging all members of Kajiado County to desist, and especially in our markets. We'll be joining the municipalities in Kajiado County to ensure that we have plastic-free markets, and this should extend even to our homes.
Names are David Kuntai Kobai, the municipal manager, Ngong municipality. Plastic menace is really a challenge to us as a world. That we want to make sure that plastic pollution to our seas should stop immediately. As a municipality, one is to create awareness. Two, to make sure that in future we have containers collecting this collection center where we collect plastic. We also collect other waste within the estate so that we have recycling of this plastic. We also want to know that, to tell the world and Kenyans at large that issues of plastic and waste management in general should start with us. We want to make sure that we minimize the waste that go to our seas and celebrate that we have zero waste going to our seas. I want to give an example. In our market here in Ngong, we have a big partnership with Biogas International, who are doing waste for us, and there's no waste within the market. We do a lot of recycling. We get fertilizer. We also get gas within that waste. So we want everybody to emulate this within the municipality and the country at large to make sure that we don't have the dump site in the future and recycle our waste day-to-day basis.
Najua tulidecommission dump site yetu ya Ngong, lakini we were supposed to commission first another alternative dump site for us to decommission the dump site that was there. Lakini sasa si hivyo ilifanyika, tulidecommission na tukuweka pale pengine. Lakini nimekuwa nikifollow up ever since I was elected, nimekuwa nikifollow up on that agenda na nilienda kwa department ya environment and water na nikauliza director mwenye ako involved na mambo ya environment, na the answer that he gave me is that they already have a place in site, na hiyo pahali kwenye wamedetermine patakuwa pa dump site, na si dump site pase, itakuwa ni waste and recycle management center kwenye tutakuwa tunafanya recycling ya takataka zetu. Na hapo pahali palikuwa na kesi zenye ilifo imefanya hiyo pahali to delay kufungua, lakini as we speak right now hizo kesi wameenda kumaliza. So I think kumebaki kesi moja out of 3 or 4 cases, kumebaki kesi moja yenye nafaa ipewe verdict, na once hiyo kesi imemalizwa we can settle there. And as we speak, national government has already given out 124 million for support of that program. So we only need to back up the same as a county with the same amount so that at least we can have enough funds to set up that area. Kwa hivyo hiyo ni kitu yenye tunaenda tuweke na itaserve the entire Kajiado North constituency as well as Kajiado West constituency, kwa sababu itakuwa ni facility yenye inaweza